Hey guys, it's Andre, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. I am so excited to show you guys all of these kits. We have 4 different kits, and I am so pumped each and every one of them. We have 2 foil bundles and also 3 different quote boxes. Next week is Black Friday, and I will note that we are doing a Cyber Monday mystery, and we only are doing one other event, which won't include any new items. It's going to be like an intense clear out of older items at a super crazy discount. So none of the new items will be available during that. I just wanted to let you guys know, but I will be releasing more information about Black Friday probably later this week or next week, all of the details. But we will have Cyber Monday mystery, and then we will have like a little event from Friday to Sunday. And let's go ahead and get into this week's releases first. Actually, let's do this one first. So I do have a little collab this week, which I'm really excited about. I have a collab with Little Miss Allie Prince, and she does the cutest dashboard, vellum, acetates, journaling card, all kinds of stuff, business card type size. I'll leave her linked down below, but she does so many cute quotes, and one of the kind of specialties is 90-day quotes, which if you guys watch my plan with me's or know me at all, I love 90-day. So I asked her if she wanted to do a collab, and this is kind of what we came up with for some 90-day quotes. This does come in all 4 foils. And also, if you order from Allie's shop, she will have a little freebie that has a quote from 90 Day as well that says, "Don't try to swindle me because I like cake." And she does have all 4 foils, and if you order from her, you will get one of those. But definitely follow her on Instagram. I love Allie so much. I just think she's the sweetest, so talented, and you guys should definitely check her shop out. But I am so excited to use these in my planner, and again, all 90-day quotes, and I am just so excited about that. So again, I will leave Allie linked down below. And then I have 2 kind of more, they're not Valentine's, but they're more lovey quotes. So the first one here has, let me separate these. This one here, oh wait, they're not, I was like, why does this have more? It's because I have the wrong pile. So these are kind of just like love quotes that I wanted to release. I thought they were really cute, just for like maybe Valentine's Day, anniversaries, just when you're feeling the love. So you have, "I want all of you forever, you and me every day, you are my today and all of my tomorrow, you're still the one, and it was always you," and all 4 foils. And then these ones are all Ed Sheeran quotes because I love Ed Sheeran so much. So you have, "Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars, I fall in love with you every single day, all that you are is all that I'll ever need, and this is the start of something beautiful." So I thought those are really cute, and again, they come in all 4 foils. So those are the 3 different quote boxes for this week. I'll go over the foil bundles. This week we have a star foil as well as a twinkle. This one is a really pretty purple. I'm going to go ahead and compare it to last week's purple foil. This was like a lilac, so you can see the difference. This one's shinier, frostier. This one is more of like a blue tone, cool tone purple, I think. This one's more of like a lilac. This one's more of like a lavender. So I love this so much. It's so pretty. Ooh, do I actually need, I'm using Mary for the week that I'm planning my planner, and I'm thinking about using this one, but I might use this. I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. So you have the food icons, the circle icons, 6 of this page with the headers, half cut headers, and 2 full boxes, cutout icons, scripts, and then you have the 15mm bottom washi, and I love this color so much. I need to think of a good name for it, but it is so pretty, and I cannot wait to use it in my planner. I've been experimenting a lot with using different foils and really enjoying it. So this one here is really cool and really unique. So this is a like hollow sparkle with stars in it. You see the stars? So pretty with the star design. I just think it's like perfection. Let me show you on the circle icons. You can see the stars throughout, but this is like star inception. So you have the deco, you have the food, you have the circle and date numbers, 6 of this page here with header, half cut header, and 2 full boxes. It's so pretty. This is probably one of my favorite foils. I think this mixed with sparkly hollow is perfection. Script, and then again, that bottom washi is so pretty. This is one that I probably need to grab an extra, probably like 4 for my collection, just because I think it's so beautiful. And again, mixed with hollow or sparkly hollow, or like champagne lights for like a mixed metal moment would be really pretty. So those are the 2 foil bundles. We do have 4 kits this week, which I'm really excited about. All of them are in the like format with the like double fancy label on the pattern and solid labels page. So let's go over this one first. It's Aurora, and it's so pretty. Perfect winter kit. Definitely gives me the Frozen vibes. There is a Frozen add-on sheet if you want to kind of go that way with the kit, because I definitely just like, that's the way I want to go with it, and I think it's really cute. Or you could just kind of have the classic winter times, you know, just so beautiful. And you have the little planner there. I love this scene. It is so cute. I can imagine that with like a quote box, a winter quote box. This with like sparkly hollow be really pretty, or you could do a fun foil silver. You could do a mixed metal moment. There is like a silver sprinkled throughout there. Well, it's like silver with like different colors in it. It's really pretty. So cute. And then again, this is the new one with the fancy labels. And then you have the bottom washi and the clear with black script freebie. So that is the ultimate kit. Let me go ahead and go over the mini kit for this one. I'm definitely going to be using this, I think, in January with the Frozen boxes. I like Frozen a lot, but Bennett loves Frozen, so I definitely want to do that. And he was super excited when he saw this kit. He was like, Frozen? And I was like, yes. Deco, glitter headers, mini kit page, bottom washi, clear little freebie there. So that is the mini kit. We are doing unlimited stock still for the first 48 hours. And let me go ahead and show you guys the add-on options for this kit. So the first thing is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. Then we do have classic fashion people, so super cute, lots of options there. There is the label sampler as well, and then there is the little Frozen add-on boxes, which just turned out so stinking cute. I love them so much, and I cannot wait to do a full Frozen spread. The next one here is called Blossom, and this is actually exclusive art. This was supposed to be like a collab with me and Tiki from Aurora, but it's like honestly a really long story that includes lost packages that I'm just still a little hurt about, but it's okay. So this will be available in the shop. It is exclusive art, like I said, and it does have very much so like Blossom vibes, which the Blossom does release actually today, like all of the fun colors that are being added along with the 2021 Aurora inserts, which I did a video on those, along with kind of an overview of the new Blossom on Friday on my channel if you want to check that out. So you have your extra full boxes, you have your deco page. I love these colors. They're so pretty. Definitely a very like March, April, May kind of look, but definitely also anytime. And then you have like the Blossom pattern with like a light gradient, so it kind of has a little bit of color variation, and then the Blossom bottom washi. I feel like I'm so rusty from filming because I haven't filmed in what seems like forever. So that is the ultimate kit. It does also come in a mini kit, and there is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip or the label sampler. The next kit here is so dang cute, and this is called Marshmallow Snowflakes. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the colors. Okay, so this is very like just classic winter time, really pretty colors. I love the like deer and the little fawn, the teddy bear, the girl. So cute. And then you have like a little snow castle with a bunny and then an owl. This just reminds me of the labyrinth so much, and you guys know I love the labyrinth. Lots of like snowflake silver sprinkled throughout. You have your glitter headers, the half boxes. Oh, it's so pretty with the glitter and the snowflakes. And then the bottom washi with the gradient snowflakes. It's so pretty. It's going to give that icy vibe, clear freebie. This with the snow foil bundles, oh, that's going to be a vibe. It's going to be so good. So that again is Marshmallow Snowflakes. It does also come in a mini kit. There is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then also there is a fashion add-on if you would like to as well. Then last but not least, we do have Snowflake Kisses. Got a lot of snowflakes going on this week. So this is Snowflake Kisses. This is a really pretty, deeper colored winter kit, which I feel like a lot of our winter kits have been like lighter colors and pastels. So this is going to be really pretty mixed with like brighter foils. I think like silver, again, with that snowflake foil bundle is going to be epic, or even sparkly hollow would be really fun to like bring out the different colors. There's lots of options here. Oh, it's just so pretty, or like an icy blue would be really beautiful with this. So I love the dark navy and then this really pretty dark like forest green color mixed with the like light blues. I just think it's so nice. I love this scene. I love this art. I just think it's really pretty. And like all of the little snowflakes that I added kind of like on the ground to make it look super like snowy. It's just so pretty. And then you have your extra 2 boxes, which just imagine this with like a winter quote box would be so pretty. You have your deco page. Oh, imagine this with silver glitter headers. I'm here for it, but also like gold would be really pretty too. I think that would pop. Or like a mixed metal moment. You have your bottom washi here. Again, imagine that with snow falling. So pretty. So that again is Snowflake Kisses. And that also does come in a mini kit. And then I'll show you guys the add-on options for it as well. There is an option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's an option if you want to add on the label sampler. And then there is an option if you want to add on the fashion girls, which are so cute. So that is everything for this week. I know there is a lot, but I was super excited. I definitely got like a real winter vibe going on this week, which I love. I know a lot of people are really looking forward to winter kits this year. I just think it's just so cozy, and especially with like all the winter, we have winter bucket lists in the shop. We have snow foil bundles. We have winter quote boxes. Like, it's going to be a really pretty winter in the planner this year. So that is everything for this week. Again, releases will be up Wednesday at noon Eastern. We will not have new releases till the week after Black Friday. So like it'll be Cyber Monday, Tuesday, and then we'll probably have new releases. So I'll keep you guys posted on that, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.